Hey everybody, so if you guys have asked for a follow-up on the 1001U on 12 volts, my last video it kind of went berserk on 12 volts because I did not flip that switch on there down to the 19 volt setting. So we're going to try it again. That is 12 volts. We got a 10 amp setting on there. Let's see what she does, and everything is cranked wide open.
Whoa, Black Betty. Yeah, Black Betty.
Okay, so you can definitely tell a difference between that and 24 volts. It doesn't have anywhere near the base, but it did not go berserk like it did before. So if you're going to run 12 volts, expect a little less performance out of the base, but a nice clean, clear sound out of it when that switch is on the on side. Not the one side, but the on side. That's the 19 volt setting. Have a good evening, guys.